Toyota, a name that today is synonymous with reliability, innovation, and global success. But behind every Corolla on the road and every Prius on the driveway lies a remarkable story of ambition, struggle, and reinvention. From a small loom-making family business in Japan to becoming one of the largest car makers in the world, Toyota's journey is more than just about cars. It's about vision, resilience, and transforming the way the world moves. In this documentary, we'll explore Toyota's incredible rise through 6 chapters, from its humble beginnings to its ambitious plans for the future. Our journey begins with Sakichi Toyoda, a brilliant Japanese inventor. Long before Toyota was known for cars, Sakichi made his name with something completely different: looms. His most famous invention, the automatic weaving loom, not only revolutionized textile production, but also gave his family the wealth to fund future ventures. Sakichi's son, Kiichiro Toyoda, saw a new opportunity. In the 1930s, automobiles were shaping the modern world, and Japan needed to catch up. With bold determination, he shifted the family's focus from textiles to cars. In 1936, Toyota introduced its very first passenger car, the Toyota AA. While heavily inspired by American designs, it marked the start of something big. Just a year later, in 1937, the Toyota Motor Company was officially born. World War II left Japan devastated. Its economy in ruins, industries destroyed, and consumer demand almost non-existent. Like many companies, Toyota was barely hanging on. By 1949, things reached a breaking point. The company was nearly bankrupt and forced to lay off thousands of workers. Morale was low, and many doubted whether Toyota would even survive. But in this darkest hour, Kiichiro Toyoda gave a powerful statement. Cars will be the driving force of Japan's future. His vision was clear. Automobiles would not only rebuild Toyota, but help rebuild Japan itself. These words became the rallying cry that kept the company alive. In the years that followed, Toyota realised that to compete globally, it couldn't just copy American automakers, it had to innovate. Studying Ford's mass production lines, Toyota engineers noticed inefficiencies and waste. So they developed their own system, the Toyota Production System, or TPS. This system introduced groundbreaking concepts like just-in-time manufacturing, producing only what was needed when it was needed, and Kaizen, meaning continuous improvement. These methods allowed Toyota to build cars more efficiently, with higher quality and lower costs. What started as a survival tactic eventually became the gold standard for industries around the world. The Toyota production system wasn't just about cars, it was about a new philosophy of work. Armed with a new production system, Toyota looked beyond Japan. In 1957, it sent its first car, the Toyopet Crown, to the United States. But the launch flopped. The car was too underpowered for American highways, and sales were disappointing. Yet Toyota didn't give up. By the 1960s, it launched new models, like the Corona and the Corolla, cars that were affordable, reliable, and practical. These models won over international buyers and began Toyota's global expansion. The Corolla in particular became a legend. Over time, it would go on to sell more than 50 million units, becoming the world's best-selling car. Toyota had cracked the code. Cars that delivered quality, efficiency, and value. In 1973, the oil crisis shook the world. Fuel prices skyrocketed, and suddenly, big, gas-guzzling cars were out of fashion. While American automakers scrambled, Toyota was perfectly positioned. Its small, fuel-efficient vehicles were exactly what consumers wanted. Sales soared, and Toyota's reputation grew stronger. From then on, Toyota became known not only for efficiency, but also for unmatched reliability. Owners discovered that their Toyotas could run for decades with minimal problems. This loyalty created a foundation that would carry Toyota to the top of the global auto industry. By the 1980s, Toyota had cemented its reputation worldwide. It built factories in America, creating jobs and proving it could maintain quality anywhere. In 1989, Toyota shocked the luxury market with Lexus, its new premium brand. And in 1997, it changed the world again with the Prius, the first mass-produced hybrid car. The Prius became a cultural icon, embraced by eco-conscious drivers and Hollywood celebrities. But not everything was smooth. In 2009, Toyota faced a massive recall crisis over claims of unintended acceleration. Its reputation was damaged, but with stricter quality controls, Toyota regained trust. Today, Toyota still stands among the top car makers in the world. It is investing in multiple technologies, from hybrids and hydrogen fuel cells like the Mirai, to cautious steps into electric vehicles. Rather than betting on just one future, Toyota is preparing for many. From humble beginnings as a loom company to becoming one of the biggest names in the automotive world, Toyota's story is a powerful lesson in vision, resilience, and innovation. So the next time you see a Toyota on the road, remember, it's more than just a car. It's the result of nearly a century of persistence and progress. If you enjoyed this journey through Toyota's history, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next automotive documentary. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more stories that shaped the cars we drive today.